Hey, to turn on and set up the Do Not Disturb mode on your Galaxy M34 5G, first open the settings and then go into the notifications. From here open the Do Not Disturb mode, and now let's first set for how long. So we can set it for 1 hour, but for sure even for 23 hours. So right here you can add or remove hours. You can also set it to ask every time, so when you wanna turn it on, you will get this notification for how long. Next, you can also set the sleeping schedule. I mean, that's actually the title, but you can input here wherever you want, for example, meeting. So let's say that you have meeting every Friday, so you can unselect other days, and it's for example from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So you can click done, set it up like this, then click save. And right now, every Friday, when you of course turn it on, every Friday between this time, you will be your Do Not Disturb mode will be automatically turned on. And here you can adjust some parameters of this Do Not Disturb mode, like calls and the messages. If you want to allow any calls, for example, from exact contact, from your mom, for example, you can just pick it from here. The same for the notifications. If you still want to receive notifications, like for example for your Gmail, you can add it and click done. You will have the information right here, and the same for the alarms and sounds. So for example, if you want to get still the reminders, you can click here, and that's basically it. And that's how it looks. Now you can just turn it on and use it. So yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.